Good evening, everyone. I'm Melanie Christopher.
And I'm Byron Brown. We begin with breaking news. The state of Mississippi is now just one signature away from having one of the strictest abortion bans in the country.
Today, the Mississippi Senate approved the so-called Fetal Heartbeat bill.
WJTV 12's Alex Love joins us now live from outside the state capitol with more. Alex?
Yes, this bill would essentially ban all abortions in the state of Mississippi as early as 6 weeks. Now, there are a few exceptions, such as if a mother's life is in danger or any other medical emergencies, but not if a woman is raped or in cases of incest. It also allows criminal punishment for doctors who refuse to follow the ban. 1 year ago, state legislators passed another bill banning abortions after 15 weeks. That, however, was struck down by a federal judge. And another judge recently struck down a fetal heartbeat bill in Iowa. But I spoke with Lieutenant Governor Tate Reeves, who believes this one will be upheld.
We believe that life begins at conception, but we also believe that the ban after 6 weeks is something that the United States Supreme Court can uphold, and that we can actually get to the Supreme Court on a bill such as this. And we're hopeful that Roe v. Wade will ultimately be reviewed by the Supreme Court and ultimately overturned.
Now, we also spoke to Shannon Brewer of the Jackson Women's Health Organization, who said this bill is a complete waste of taxpayer money and legislators should be focused and invest more on children who are already here. We will continue our coverage in the 9 and 10 p.m. newscast, as well as hearing from Democratic senators who are upset at this bill. But until then, reporting live outside the state capitol, Alex Love, WJTV 12 News.
Alex, thank you. Now, Governor Phil Bryant took to Twitter after the bill passed, posting a picture of a pin and saying, quote, "Thank you to the Mississippi legislature for protecting the unborn by passing the heartbeat bill and sending it to my desk for signature. I look forward to signing it very soon," end quote.